Hey guys, I'm Sean from Fence and Deck Depot. Today we're going to build this customer a brand new deck. This customer had a wood deck for many, many years and was starting to become harder and harder to maintain. We're going to build them a brand new deck, total new substructure with wonderful treated KDAT lumber. And in addition, we're going to be installing TimberTech's Tigerwood deck board. Composite deck, hidden fastener system. It's going to be a beautiful upgrade to what they previously had. We have 3 goals in mind today. Number 1, we're going to work on the piers today. So this deck, we're building it to the same blueprint or the same layout as the previous deck. So therefore, we're going to build the piers exactly where the old piers were. However, the old piers were no longer up to today's code. So we're actually removing those piers today, digging down 30 inches and belling out the bottom. That new pier that we'll be building will provide the stabilization for the new deck. The second goal we're going to do today is along the lines of framing. So as you can see behind me, we've started that framing. One of the first things we do with the framing is we put up black felt paper that is a moisture barrier. That moisture barrier goes between what's called the ledger board and the house. The moisture barrier protects the inside of the house from moisture. So that's real critical to the longevity of the deck as well as maintaining integrity in the house. Then lastly, the third goal along with the framing is putting on the ledger board, which we've already done. So it is the foundation for the deck to connect to the house. Along with the ledger board, that is affixed to the house with something we call ledger locks. So overall, between the ledger board and the piers, we provide the stable foundation for the deck in the future. So today there's a couple main goals in particular. First, as you can easily see, we're starting to put the decking on top of the deck. What's great about this TimberTech board that we're using is it has a hidden fastener system. So the deck will have very few screws in it, and rather we use a hidden fastener system to attach the deck boards together, providing a smooth, clean look. The other goal today is start to build the stairs. And so you can see that we're starting to build the stringers, which is the support structure for the stairs that we walk on. We'll get those stringers put in place. We'll build it according to code as always. And tomorrow we'll start to put the decking onto the stairs. At Fence and Deck Depot, we work really hard on communication. So we've put in a strategic process to keep you informed every step of the way through the process. In fact, if you go to Google, Facebook, and the BBB, you'll find that many of our customers comment about their wonderful fence or deck, but they'll also talk about their great customer experience, including communications. We're super proud of that. So today is the last day of this project. Today, what we're finishing up is the railing. We've also installed the post cap lighting. The post cap lighting is going to be a wonderful experience for the customer as they sit out and enjoy their deck in the evenings. We're also doing the finer point details. For example, we stain all of the posts to match the color of the deck. So those little details are all getting taken care of today. Today's Friday. We started this project on Monday. So Monday morning we came and tore out the project. This evening, the customer will be able to come out and sit on their brand new deck and enjoy the night. At Fence and Deck Depot, we believe in keeping our crews assigned to their project until that project is done. For example, when we get to Wednesday, halfway through the project, you won't hear us say, hey, we're going to take a day off and we'll be back in a couple of days. We're here to get the job done, give you a great experience, and get you your new deck as fast as we can. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.